Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for devices that can simplify your life and bring more convenience to your daily tasks. That's why I'm super excited to share with you my review of the HP Envy Inspire 7958E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. This amazing device is packed with features that make it perfect for printing documents, quality borderless photos, and even creative projects. So, let's dive in and see what makes this printer stand out from the crowd. First, let's talk about the printing capabilities of this device. With print speeds of up to 10 pages per minute in color and 15 pages per minute in black, you can get your documents printed quickly and efficiently. But what really impressed me was the quality of the prints. The HP Envy Inspire 7958E produces vibrant and clear prints that are perfect for both personal and professional use. Whether you're printing out reports, photos, or creative projects, this printer delivers exceptional results. And with the ability to print borderless photos in multiple sizes, you can create stunning prints that will make your memories last a lifetime. Another key feature that I want to highlight is the HP Plus Smart features that come with this printer. By activating HP Plus, you'll get access to advanced features like mobile printing, security, and automatic updates. This means you can print documents and photos directly from your smartphone or tablet, and even scan and copy documents using the HP Smart app. The HP Plus features also provide an additional layer of security, ensuring that your printer and your documents are protected from unauthorized access. And with automatic updates, you'll always have the latest features and security patches, giving you peace of mind and ensuring that your printer stays up to date. Now, let's talk about the photo printing capabilities of this device. The HP Envy Inspire 7958E is designed to produce vibrant and true-to-life photos that look as good as they do on your screen. With custom photo features in the HP Smart app, you can edit and enhance your photos before printing, and even print them in unique sizes like 5x5" square and 4x12 panoramic. The separate photo tray and auto document feeder make it easy to print photos without having to swap out paper, and the advanced photo features allow you to adjust settings like brightness, contrast, and saturation to get the perfect print. Finally, I want to mention the HP Smart app, which is one of the easiest to use print apps I've ever seen. With this app, you can print, scan, copy, or even fax documents directly from your smartphone, tablet, or PC. The app is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate and use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. And with the ability to access your printer from anywhere, you can print documents and photos on the go, making it perfect for busy professionals and families. In conclusion, the HP Envy Inspire 7958E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer is an incredible device that offers a wide range of features and benefits. From its fast printing speeds and vibrant photo prints to its advanced HP Plus Smart features and user-friendly HP Smart app, this printer is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and convenient printing solution. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to print photos and documents, this printer is sure to meet your needs. So, if you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the HP Envy Inspire 7958E. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this amazing device. Thanks for watching, and don't